Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. Here are some bedroom plants ideas. The best bedroom plants for a prettier, healthier space. The best house plants to beautify your room, clean the air and boost your mood. Are you looking for bedroom decorating ideas that go the extra mile? House plants can do more than just bring a splash of green indoors. It turns out a famous NASA study found that such plants were able to reduce indoor air pollutant such as benzene and formaldehyde, at least in a controlled lab development environment. More recent research says plants may make you feel less stressed, which is always welcome when it's time to catch some disease. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. So consider making your sleeping chambers a bit trimmer with these air purifying bedroom plants. Then you will want to check out our story, pet friendly house plants you can grow without worry. On the list of bedroom plants that follows the include lady palm, areca palm, Boston fern, spider plant and rosemary. Avoid or keep the others out of reach, especially if your furry friends like to chew on greenery. It's not typical thought of as house plant, but lavender can survive indoor under the light conditions along with air purifying qualities. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.